Now let me talk about the price determination under the perfect competition. In this case, we'll be talking about the equilibrium of the industry and the equilibrium of the firm. Now let me first begin out with the equilibrium of the industry. And industry is said to be in equilibrium when the demand is equal to the supply. Now let me take the output on the x-axis and let me take the price on the y-axis, and then build up a demand curve and then the supply curve. So this is the interaction of the demand and supply at the point E. This is going to be the equilibrium price, and this is going to be the equilibrium quantity. Say for example, this is Q star and this is P star. So the equilibrium of the industry is attained when the demand is equal to the supply, and the price is going to be the equilibrium price, and the quantity is going to be the equilibrium quantity. So the whenever the demand and supply is equal, the quantity is going to be the equilibrium quantity, and the price is going to be the equilibrium price. So in this case, the P star is the equilibrium price and the Q star is the equilibrium quantity. Now let me talk about the equilibrium of the firm. Now a firm is going to be in an equilibrium when they are going to maximize its profits. Now how do these firms actually maximize its price? We know that the firms in the perfect competition are price takers. So if I take the output on the x-axis and I take the price on the y-axis, they are going to adopt the same price what is determined by the market. So this is going to be the demand curve, the average revenue curve, as well as the marginal revenue curve for the perfect competition. Because the average revenue is equal to the price, so this is going to be the demand as well as the marginal revenue curve for the competition. So now let me talk about the equilibrium conditions. There are two conditions for the equilibrium. One is where MC is equal to MR. The another condition is that MC cuts MR from below. MC cuts MR from below. Now if we know that an MC curve is a U-shaped curve, so if I plot an MC curve over here, it is going to be somehow like this. Now MC curve is cutting the MR curve at 2 points, say for example point A and point B. Now these two conditions are met at point B because at this point MC is equal to MR and it cuts MR from the below. So now what this signifies is that beyond the output, now let me plot the two outputs over here. Say for example, this is output 1 and this is output 2. Now a firm can expand its output or produce more from quantity 1 to the quantity 2 because the prices are completely falling. And it is possible and it is profitable for a firm to expand its production beyond this quantity 1, since the prices are falling, since the costs are falling, and it will be profitable for a firm to expand its production. And if we talk about this point B here, the MC is equal to the MR, which means the firms are able to cover its costs at this up to the point B. So the equilibrium point of a firm is going to be the point B, where both the conditions are met, where the MC is equal to the MR and also the MC cuts MR from below. So firm is in equilibrium when the MC is equal to the MR and MC cuts MR from below. And the firms are taking actually the price whatever is determined by the interaction of demand and supply in the market. So whatever the price is, equilibrium price is determined by the market, the firm are going to adopt the same price, and and on the same price there is going to be an appropriate demand for the products, and the equilibrium of the firms are going to adjust their equilibrium at the point where MC is equal to MR and MC cuts MR from the below.